Hi, I'm Susan Gregory. In 2009, I made the video, How to Make a Mind Map, the Basics. As of today, there have been 1.2 million views. Thank you so much for watching my video and thank you for sharing it with your friends, your coworkers, and your students. If you're like me, you know that mind mapping can be hugely helpful for organizing your ideas, for remembering things, for planning, and for writing. And as a thank you for sharing my video, I've created a tip sheet for teaching mind mapping, and the link to get that tip sheet is below this video. I'd also love to hear about how you're using mind mapping. I use it all the time, both personally and professionally, for planning, brainstorming, writing, and studying. So please drop me a note below this video and let me know how you're using the technique and if you've got any questions that I can help you out with. And I'll use those comments to make more videos for you. Thanks so much.